How to log out from your MidJourney account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your MidJourney account. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in midjourney.com. This is the official URL of MidJourney. Once I've entered this URL, press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of MidJourney. Here, if you are already logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, in this home page, at the left side, you'll be able to locate different options. At the very bottom, you'll be able to locate My Account option. Simply click on this My Account and then a menu will appear. From here, you will need to select the option Log Out. Simply click on this Log Out option from this drop down and then you will be able to log out from your MidJourney account. After logging out from your account, you can simply close the browser to end the session. And in the future, if you want to log in back to your account, you can come to the official website and then here you need to click on this login button at the right bottom of your screen and use your credentials in order to log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your MidJourney account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.